If you experience vertigo when turning to the right and are unable to do the maneuver while lying down, it is recommended that you perform the half somersault maneuver. Get on your knees and quickly turn your head up so that you are looking directly at the ceiling. Then place the top of your head on the floor, as if you are about to roll over. It is best to bring your chin close to the hollow of your neck so that the top of your head touches the floor. This position may intensify the vertigo. Remain motionless until the vertigo has passed. Slowly turn your head 45 degrees to look toward your right elbow. This position may also intensify the vertigo. Keep your head to the right until the end of the maneuver. While keeping your head to the right and looking toward your right elbow, quickly raise your head to shoulder level. The head should still be at about a 45-degree angle. Stand up at that angle and sit up. Then turn your head to look straight ahead. Pause for a minute at each stage of the maneuver. If you experience vertigo when turning left, do the same in reverse.